Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Pinterest. We go to Pinterest app. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about Pinterest and we click here. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.